Hey guys, welcome to my channel and welcome to my first video. If you like this content, then be sure to subscribe, and I'm sure it'll only get better from here. Today I'm going to be taking some photos of Flax and looking at the way you can create really striking images with the sun sort of backlighting, making nice shadows and having the light kind of create contrast on the edges, and you'll see what I mean when you look at the photos. But it's just a really surprisingly simple way of creating really amazing images, really artistic looking images. So without further ado, let's get into it. Let's get outside. Thanks so much for watching, guys. I hope this inspired you to just spend a little amount of time going outside, spending 5 minutes in the sun, just seeing what you can do, seeing if you can come up with some really nice, unique shots. Hope to see you in the next video, and until then, feel free to check out my social media and subscribe, comment, share, all of that good stuff. So yeah, have a good one, guys.